everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me today and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today we're going to start our little mini album using this cute Halloween heart mini album set by My Crafting World Designs. And this little heart comes in two different pieces. So you definitely can make a card with this. You can also use it for your mini album. And then you have a little spider web, right? And then here on the back, you have a little heart. You've got a little spider. You have a bat. And then you have your little mechanism that you could put your rings through for your mini album. So basically it's your hinge. So for this, I'm not going to cut any chipboard pieces. Now you can if you want to, okay? And I have cut chipboard in the past with just light chipboard, not heavy chipboard, okay? With the dies from My Crafting World, and they are awesome dies. So they do cut through chipboard, okay? But with this, I think I'm just going to use some 100-pound cardstock to create my little mini album. And basically, it's just going to be, I don't want to call it a little, like maybe a little Halloween daily or something. I'm not quite sure because I don't really do something like every day for Halloween. So maybe weekly, a weekly daily. I don't know. Or maybe a weekly Halloween. I don't know. Anyway, because I only do things like on the weekends, so it's not something that I do every day. So I was just thinking that this would be like a small mini album that I can create just for some photos, okay, just a few photos, nothing big. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started, okay? So to start, I went ahead and cut out some pattern paper and black cardstock, and I went ahead and scored right over on the right side of where your holes are, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue down the pattern paper on top of the black paper, the black cardstock, okay? And I think that these are just going to look really nice together. Once you get your black cardstock, your pattern paper on top of your black cardstock, you're going to place these two together. You're actually going to glue the pieces where the holes are. You're going to glue those together, and they're going to form like a little hinge. So that way you can go ahead and place your hearts on top of these. So I think it's going to be a really neat way that you can put your mini album together, and with an open hinge. Okay, so here is where I'm going to share with you how we do the hinge. So once you place your two pieces together where the holes are, okay, you're going to just glue on your hearts on that open space where that's the blank space where on the other side of the holes. And you're just going to go ahead and glue those on to the hearts, or the hearts onto those. And again, here we are. I'm putting the pattern paper on top of that, and I'm scoring a 1/2 inch, or I'm sorry, over uh, where the holes are, okay? And then I'm just gluing where the holes are. I'm gluing those two pieces together. So here again, you're going to go ahead, and I'm just scoring everything over on that other side of where the holes are. You're going to go ahead, and I'm just creasing it now. I'm going to go ahead and place some glue on top of that pattern paper. See where the holes are? That's where I'm gluing, and I'm placing those holes on top of the other holes. So it's like a hinge when it opens up. And I thought this was a really good idea because then, everything kind of opens up really nice, and you don't have to worry about putting everything's kind of glued together. Your hinge is kind of glued together. You don't have to worry about um, everything being a single type hinge with the little rings on it. And you'll see here in just a minute. I open it up for you, and you can tell that it is one hinge and it's glued all together. So for this next part, what I want to show you is that once I have that hinge opened, then you're going to grab your heart and you're just going to lay it down on top of the other hearts and glue that and fold that hinge over the heart. So that way all your hearts are even and you don't have to worry about them being uneven. So here is where I'm gluing down another hinge, and I'm going to go ahead and fold that, place glue on those holes, place that other hinge on top of there so the holes are meeting up, and then I'm getting my heart, placing it down, putting glue on that opened area of the hinge, and then burnishing it down. So now it is all done and everything is glued together. So now what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and I cut out all of my hearts, and we're going to place these all on the inside of these hearts. See how everything's glued together, so you don't have to worry about all of these hearts having a single hinge. They're all glued together, so it's actually one hinge. Okay, so for this part right here, I went ahead and made a little pocket, and I think I've shown this before, but basically you just leave like maybe a quarter of an inch on either side of the edges of your paper, and you just cut straight down the line of your pattern paper, and that's how I make the little pocket. It's so super simple and easy. Next, we're decorating the top of this heart, and it turned out so stinking cute. I absolutely love how this turned out. And as you can see, I'm using the elements from this die set. I'm using the bat and the little spider. I'm using the large web heart that is in the die set. And if you haven't gotten this die set yet, you need to get it. Don't forget to use my code Debbie10 when you purchase it. But it is a must in your arsenal. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and we are putting the ribbons through the little holes. Now you can use the rings if you want to, but I chose just to do ribbons and a little bit of trim. So I went ahead and just placed them through the hole, and with a little bit of help with my little poker tool there. And then I used some little black flowers with some eyes that I got from a swap, and I believe Leslie Pico made these little black flowers with the eyes. Um, and then, yeah, so I used orange ribbon along with some orange trim, and then the black ribbon has like little candy corn on it, and it's got like a little ghosty, and it's got some other cute little images on there. But I thought that this looked really cute, and I really like how it contrasted with the pink and the black. And so I really like how this turned out with the little ribbons on the side. Such a cute little album, you guys. I really love this album. So stinking cute.
So here is what our book looks like, y'all, and I am so, I'm really pleased with it. It looks super cute. I love that I added the little fringe or the trim on the edge here. Of course, you can go ahead and you can use these and then, put your ribbons through these. But because we actually glued and adhered all of the hinges together, your book is going to stay pretty good. together, so you don't have to worry about the pages, flipping and flapping everywhere. So here on this inside, I went ahead and did a few little tuck spots here. So my photos can fit right underneath here, just like that. Okay, and then here I did a little tuck spot here and put a little spider there, and I believe, yeah, my photo can fit up underneath here, underneath that little spider if I needed it to. You turn the page and you have another little tuck spot right here. I went ahead and cut out the Hocus Pocus that is from the paper collection, and then that little cauldron with the smoke, and just popped that up with some foam tape on top of the Hocus Pocus. And my photo can go right here a long ways. And then I have the Wicked and a little bat right there. Here on this side, I went ahead and popped up these two little things together with the little witch going flying on her broom, and then placed a little gem right there. I did place some gems up here too, and then around the front, and popped this one up. Now these are not from the Prima collection. These are actually from a different collection. I believe that is from, I think those are from this collection, which is an old collection from Authentic called Bewitched. So those are from that collection, okay? So I kind of mixed some things in here with some of the other collections that I had. And then here I went ahead and fussy cut out this piece. I just loved this haunted piece, and with that little ghosty on this ghost paper, I thought that was super cute. Backed it up with some pink paper and then one of the little ephemera pieces in the kit. And so yeah, and then I thought, I could do either a journaling card here, or I could do a little photo, because the photo can fit right in the back of this piece here. So I left that open. So I thought that would be super cute. Here I did a little pocket out of that cut apart page that is in the collection, which I love doing that with little cut apart pages. So I've done them several times where I'll take like this and I'll just go ahead and cut along the line from here to the end here. And yeah, and it just makes a nice little pocket, and you can do that with a lot of different ones. Let's see if I have, there it is. So this is the one that I cut. So I went ahead and just cut right in through here on that line, okay, and then formed a little pocket. And then here what you're going to do is around the edge, you're going to go ahead and leave about 1/4 inch from each edge before you cut it. So when you cut it, you're going to leave 1/4 inch, cut it, and then to 1/4 inch here. And that forms a nice little pocket. Then I went ahead and stuck some bats and some spiders here. I stuck It's Witching Hour, and that little sticker is from the Bewitched paper from Echo Park. So I believe that's where this is from. Yeah, down here. So yeah, so I used my Bewitched paper from Echo Park and used a sticker from there. And then cut out that little cauldron again and stuck that up on foam tape. Stuck my bat and my spider on some foam tape. Thought that was super cute. Here I went ahead and stuck a little ghosty, fussy cut him out, and then fussy cut these out from the Prima paper collection, and just stuck this little journaling card right here. I thought that was super cute. It says Scary Moments. And then here I stuck these two together, which says Hello Pumpkin. Stuck some little dots around the corner there. And again, you can definitely stick a little note back there, or your picture is going to fit right on the back of there. Okay, so cute. So cute. So your photos for this little mini album, I did not print any out, but your photos are probably going to be around, let's see, I think it's maybe a 4x4. Yeah, so you can fit a 4x4 on here nicely, or a 4x5, depending on, the width and the length of your photo. So it would fit like across this way, And so, or if you have one that's small, you have to put a 4x4 right in the center here. So cute. So that is what I created. And then the back, I went ahead and stuck some spiders, a sparkly spider, and then this little dot that says creepy on it. I thought that was really fitting. So that is my little album. It's the Halloween heart mini album that we did. And I did cut out the spider web. It's here and then on the back. So you see how it fits really nice in between those hearts. So, so cute. So yeah, so anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. And thank you guys so much for joining me. Take care. I'll put all the links down below. Don't forget to use my code Debbie10 when you head over to the shop. You don't want to miss your discount savings, okay? Thanks again for joining me, y'all. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks again for joining me, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to go over to My Crafting World Designs to visit Anna's store. Thank you all so much for joining me. Take care and have a great day.